Good afternoon, people. It's Beer O'Clock here again on Portuguese Beer Reviews. Today we're going to our friends from Andunion, Bavarian brewed, and this is a Wednesday wheat beer. They do a whole range, Monday, Sunday, or they do Monday, do they? Or was Monday non-alcoholic? I think Tuesday's non-alcoholic. Well,
Tuesday.
They do a complete range of beers in case you don't know anything about them. Good company. Drank this a few times before, haven't we? They do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and God knows what else.
There's all different styles for the different days of the week, so yeah, there's some great selections there. This
one is the Wednesday, being my favourite. Wednesday.
And it was yellow as well.
Yeah, and I have the t-shirt to match. Getting good at these t-shirts to match.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, cracking beer, cracking company. Not had it for a little while, have we?
No.
Always meant to get a few more of these and get it reviewed. This comes in at 5%. Yeah, brewed in Bavaria.
Yep,
There's
5%.
one from Andunion.com, which is good. There we go. Just in, no, see? It's good to have the right glass because the bottle
fits it properly. Let's have a look at this bottle. Lovely and bright yellow. As we can see, Paul's favourite colour. And lovely little glass there. The colour of this is golden amber colour.
very slight haze, isn't it?
Yeah, slightly hazy there.
Not a lot.
It's got a nice foamy head on it.
Yeah, I mean, if you go to your smell, I remember now. Yeah, they do quite prominent in the cloves. You've got your banana.
Yeah.
Slight hint of spice, different fruit.
Mm.
Like a,
yeah, that's definitely that lovely ripe banana smell. Mm.
like a sweet type of thing.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Maybe it's apricots, that kind of smell.
I don't know, yeah. But yeah, there was a more of a, yeah, it's not bubble gum, so that's something in it. But yeah, as I say, we have drunk this on numerous occasions, quite a few occasions actually. So it's quite an easy one, this, isn't it? It's just one that's been coming, but we never got there with, did we? You can go first if you like. You being the boss.
Thank you. Yeah, absolutely lovely. Mm. It's got all those rich, ripe fruit flavours. There's not just banana there, I'm picking up some orange as well.
Yeah, it's like
a little bit of zesty orange, really creamy and easy on the palate.
Yeah, you
light carbonation.
Where it smells so much of the cloves, it doesn't.
Yeah.
It doesn't taste.
There's
out.
more of a fruit taste.
Yeah,
in there.
it's refreshing. It's light. It's smooth. Mm. Yeah, and what I like about this Weizen compared to a lot of the ones, it offers something completely different.
It does.
Like you go back to your donkey one.
Yeah.
In yesterday, the day before yesterday's review or whatever it was, it's something totally different.
Yeah.
And I absolutely love that. Like I say, you've got your tropical fruit, your banana.
Yeah, I was definitely picking up some orange there.
Yeah, hints of citrus as well.
Yeah. Absolutely.
It's a stunning all rounder. I mean, we were drinking these, but when was it warm? Was it June?
Like ages ago now.
Yeah, was it June that was warm? We were drinking these and they were just flowing down.
They do. They are very, very easy drinking.
Absolutely flowing down for fun, wasn't it?
And at 5%, they're good because they're not too weak, not too strong. You can have a nice session on those.
Yeah, it's definitely got that.
Yeah.
And it's lovely all the way down. There's no.
You're left with a really nice, pleasant aftertaste, aren't you?
You're left with a nice aftertaste that you're wanting more. And that's what I've always said that, haven't I? You get the right drink and they just flow down. I mean, we used to buy this by the box, didn't we? If you recall, and then we just got into trying all these other different ones.
Well, where we were doing reviews, we didn't have as much space, did we? Because we had all different stuff sort of building up.
Alcohol reduces driving ability. Don't drink and drive. Don't be a dumbass. Okay.
Sounds quite sensible to me.
Yeah, that sounds cool. But yeah, a definite yes. This is top quality.
Yeah, this one's a definite yes for me. All day long, it's an 8.5. It's right up there. It's really good, easy drinking drink.
Yeah, I'm quite enjoying this. I've actually missed this.
Yeah, having tasted it, I was thinking, man, I've missed drinking this.
Yeah, and a definite yes, an 8.5, 9 out of 10 sort of thing, because
it's right up there. The flavours are
it is
really good.
And it offers, as I just said, something so different. It's another quality Weizen. I mean, some people say, how do you like that? It's like, it's quite
how
easy.
How could you not like it?
I don't see how you couldn't like it. It's
there's brilliant balance of
I
flavours.
mean, I found this, and their Saturday beer was another good one. We'll have to review. And you were quite keen on Friday and Sunday as well.
Yeah, I like both of those as well. Yeah.
But yeah, and another thing, while I'm here,
Yep, our salami crisps.
Right, these little beauties, really.
My favourites.
These were the two we paired off.
Yeah, this is when we first. I think this is when we first realised.
Yeah.
That these actually brought out the flavours in the wheat beers more than anything else.
And they actually.
I mean, they're lovely on their own, but you team them with some wheat beer, and wow, that really is.
And actually collaborated at one stage. The people from here and here.
Buck and Bird
and Andunion.
Yeah.
And it was that idea that it was this one that they were so perfect with. Because.
Oh, I love these.
Absolutely. That's like the bar snack to die for. But
He has to hide them from me because I eat them all once.
And then totally brings out your tropical more, your fruit flavour. Just
they work so well together.
it is like
You've got the sort of meaty, crunchy saltiness of the crisp coming up against the sort of ripe banana of the drink, and the two of them are just like, wow, they complement each other so much.
Yeah, they go with Fran's kind of really well as well.
Yeah, they do. Yeah.
Fran's kind of standard. The Royal was too overpowering, if you remember. But the standard Frankie. Yeah, that just works for me. You know, it takes us back, doesn't it? To eating them both together. It was about June, wasn't it? It was absolutely crazy.
Oh, yeah, two of my absolute favourites.
But yeah, as we said, it's a definite yes. If you can get these, give them a go with them. Absolutely beautiful, and they do pair wonderfully. They do also go really well with Saturday beer, as well as Fran's Kinda, as well as the robot beer.
They're a really nice bar snack because they are something different from your peanuts or your crisps or whatever else. They really are nice. And they also do them in a chilli flavour as well, don't they?
Well, I prefer the chilli flavour.
I like both.
Right, okay. We will say, like, subscribe, comment, and bonjour, people.
Thanks for watching.